Where am I? I need to get out of this. It's messing with my head. I need to find the clean slate.
You're good.
Hello? I heard the man call for the clean slate.
Yeah, I have the clean slate. Meet me at 21 Boulevard.
I'll be there in 10 minutes. Are you the man?
Yes, this Scar Hill's advice I can take your name off of every criminal record recorded ever.
I need it. I've made some really bad choices and need to fix them.
You have to do something for me.
I'll do whatever it takes.
You have to assemble a team and perform a heist to acquire $1 million.
How long do I have?
You have 1 week.
I got everything I need. Way too hard. Look. Need to my house tomorrow at 5.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Latavious is in. Be at my house 5.
Count me in.
Did you get the paper too?
Yeah.
What do you think it's for?
I don't know, let's find out.
Hello? Glad you guys can make it. Take a seat. Ralph, I'm sure you know, but Latavious is a professional marksman and he can crack the federal fence system with an iPhone. And Latavious, this is Ralph. He's a master of disguises and a marksman too.
Why'd you bring us here?
Yeah, why did you bring us here?
I have a mission for you two. Here's your guns. We're gonna rob a bank in the middle of the town. Get $1 million in cash.
Yeah, but what's in it for us?
Yeah, what's a cut?
We'll figure that out after, but this needs to get done this week. I need to figure out some stuff right now. I'll be back in a little.
Yeah, this is kind of sketchy. He hasn't even told us how much we're getting. And the clean slate still cost $1 million, and I hear he's going for it.
We got everything we need right here. We could just get rid of them ourselves, rob the bank. Let's go get them. We know you're playing us. We know you want that clean slate.
Oh,
Yeah, got you, man. Yeah, you think he's dead?
I don't know.
Oh, he's alive!